It's so great to be back with you again to share some more secrets of Montessori. We love your comments. We've been getting some great feedback on the information that we've been sharing with you. And I'm so happy that you're finding it useful and you're able to implement this with your children at home. We're really, really happy to be part of your learning journey. Now, we're still navigating our way through the laws of natural development. I'm going to link that video about the laws of natural development, an intro to it over here. So in case you missed it, you can refresh by watching it again. And I will also link the whole series in a playlist over here so that you can go through any of them that you might have missed. And today, we're going to be talking about the law of intelligence. To go deeper into this, we first need to understand what intelligence is. Now, I want you to look at intelligence as a road that the child is going to travel upon. Now, the child will maximize their intelligence depending on two things: the stimulation that they receive in the early years and an adult who supports them with the right kind of guidance and stimulation. According to Dr. Montessori, the child's intelligence will grow through reflexes and mental activity in the environment. But what exactly does that mean? So the child has an environment that they're exposed to. This could be at home, it could be in school, and they take in everything over here. What is new? What is different? The next thing is that they start to put things in order. They make sense of what they are seeing, feeling, touching, whatever they are interacting with in this environment. They start to compartmentalize it in their minds. They put things in the right compartment. If it's something they're familiar with, it connects with that. If it's something new, then there's a new compartment with that. It's very similar to Jean Piaget's theory of assimilation and accommodation. What happens is when a child assimilates something, they are taking in information that's known. When it's something new, then they have to adjust their thinking to be able to understand what this truly is. Okay? Now, Montessori already knew that children learn through their five senses, and it is us, the adults, who will provide the sensory experiences for the child to allow him to explore in this environment. So let's look at what is provided in a Montessori prepared environment to support the development of intelligence. Firstly, we have specific learning areas. We have the area of practical life, the area of sensorial, culture, language, and mathematics. Everything is divided. So that makes it easier for a child to organize their learning. They know where they want to go for a specific type of experience. In our classrooms, the materials are laid out with the easiest starting on the left side and moving to more difficult as we go to the right. The same with top to bottom. The easiest activities are on the top and it gets more difficult as it goes lower. So in this way, the child's learning is again laid out in a very orderly and organized way so that they can approach it with ease. Another thing that's offered in the Montessori prepared environment is a trained Montessori expert who knows what experiences to offer the child, when to offer them, how to support the child so that the child can reach their maximum potential. Are things making sense now? This then tells us that we can guide our child towards intelligence in the way that we set up our environment and how we support their development and their exploration in this environment. Now, when we set up, shelves at home and we have so many toys and so many activities and sometimes even so many materials, it doesn't actually enhance the child's intelligence. Rather, it decreases learning and it confuses the child. Messy homes and learning areas, they don't assist the child, but it confuses them. It comes in the way of them compartmentalizing their knowledge. They need things to be very orderly and very organized. So what can you do at home? Simplify. Keep things to a minimum. Everything should have a place in the home and everything should be in its place. Keep it neat and tidy. This gives your child a sense of order, and in that sense of order, firstly, he feels secure and he knows exactly where he wants to go when he's looking for something. Involve your child in things that you do at home, whether it is cleaning, whether it is cooking, whether it is setting up the environment. Keep them involved and side by side with you. And of course, educate yourself about Montessori, the philosophy. Keep learning and growing so you can support your child in the right ways. I hope learning about today's law has been helpful for you and you will be able to support your child in his or her development of intelligence. Keep coming back for more. Let's keep growing together in this world of Montessori. Subscribe to our channel, turn your notifications on, and if you have liked this video, do hit the like button. I look forward to sharing more with you. Until we meet again, have a beautiful day.